Hello all, let us see the types of sentences. In English, we have 4 types of sentences. When we write or speak, we can use many different types of sentences to express what we want to say. Here we will discuss 4 main types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Each has its own functions and patterns. Declarative sentences. What is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentences give information. We use them to share facts and ideas. In other words, to declare, state, assert or claim something. Examples: the dog went to the county fair. Kim saw the dog eat popcorn. From the examples, it's clear it ends with a period. The action is no longer continued. Another example, you like popcorn. Instead of that, if you say you love popcorn, then it is not a declarative sentence. Second type, interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence is a question. How to write an interrogative sentence? Writing an interrogative sentence is simple and easy. There are 2 types of questions in English: WH, why, where, what, when, why, how, and yes or no questions. So with the WH word questions and yes or no questions, we form the interrogative sentence. You can see the difference here with the example. Declarative sentence: the popcorn is delicious, I like it. How it could be converted to an interrogative sentence? Is the popcorn delicious? Yes or no? Do you like it? Yes or no? Third, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is a verb expressing a command. That is an action expressing a command. Examples: have fun at the fair, come to the fair with me. So how you can write an imperative sentence? The imperative sentence can be fairly neutral or it can express strong emotions. Because of this, one can end with either a period or an exclamation mark. Example: get me a cup of coffee. Please give me a cup of coffee. See the difference? Next, exclamatory sentences. If you want to share strong feelings such as sadness, excitement, then the exclamatory sentences are formed. Example: hey, there is no more popcorn. You can turn any declaration that is a declarative sentence into an exclamatory sentence by adding an exclamation point. There is a table that shows the differences. Four types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Declarative is to declare, interrogative is to ask questions, imperative is to express wishes or demands, exclamatory is for emotions. Thank you.